Okay, so we're coming slowly to the end. I have one more question to you. Well, I heard that you're also working on another very interesting, let's say, topic and area, and that is, I know you cannot disclose a lot of information there, so that's okay. But I hear that you've been working something on a formulation which, with EPA and with GLA and other ingredients, which help to maintain your natural hair color. Is that hair color and hair growth, right?
Yeah.
So what's that?
Yeah, this is, I mean, it seems an ancillary question, but I think is very important. My personal experience with patients with inflammatory chronic activity is every day facing especially women, but also men that have trouble, very heavy trouble with hair loss. The hair loss is due to many factors. One is the loss of some elements in the feces because of the inflammation, cannot absorb all what we should need to have. But also there is a trouble in terms of chronic inflammation because the production of free radical may damage the hair and causing the loss. Plus, we have also trouble with drug. A lot of new biotechnology, biologic drug may cause the loss of the hair too. Steroids can cause a loss of the hair. So there are many situations that are all coming to the same result. And starting from that, we put together a special formula, as you said, that we believe that could work in this respect, facing the inflammatory situation, trying to correct some deficiency that is very important in this patient. But also, I think, because of some of the mechanism that leads to the hair loss is common also in healthy people, that formula could work not only in patients with inflammation, but also in, let's say, normal people.
But did you actually see that already? So did you have the opportunity to try such a product with some of your patients? And was there a recovery of the hair growth?
I tried to give the idea comes from the fact that I tried to give the separate ingredient, and they even separately they work. So I have experienced one with a couple, at least a couple of the ingredients of the formula, and they both help. So I think that we could, if you could put together all this mechanism, all this ingredient that works in different way, we may have a more synergic effect.
It is amazing, really, for me to see how many applications these omega-3 fatty acids have. And most of these applications, if you go or burn it down, goes back to anti-inflammatory effects. So people, you keep on hearing people which say, oh yeah, omega-3, it works for everything. But basically it's always a very similar mechanism. It's the anti-inflammatory effect, bringing down chronic inflammation, which then has these positive, effects on different outcomes and symptoms of diseases.